Hello, it's AliMECH and welcome back. In this video, I will clean the rust from the caliper and the rotor and then apply heat resistant paint and clear coat. For those of you who speak different languages, turn the subtitle on and choose your language. My videos will be in 9 different languages. So with a couple of easy steps, it will go from this to this. Now let's jack up the car and undo the wheel and put the car on a jack stand. Now undo the caliper bolt and then take the brake pad and the clips out. Mask rubber parts protecting from wire brush. I'm gonna attach wire brush on a drill for removing rust. Use mask, I'm sure you don't want the rust dust in your lungs. And protect your eyes as well. Now applying rust cleaner and agitated with detailing brush. Next, washing with a dish soap for removing oil. Using metal polish for cleaning the steel backing plate would give a good look to the caliper as well as protection. I also cleaned the clips as well. Before painting, wipe it with rubbing alcohol a few times until your paper towel stays clean. Now masking caliper for painting rotor. And now we are ready for applying base coat. Next, masking rotor for painting caliper. And now we are ready for applying base coat. Your first coat should be thin. After 5 minutes I applied the second coat. Waiting for half an hour and apply 2 coats of 2K clear coat. And now, while the clear coat gets dry, I'm gonna clean the wheel. Now the clear coat is dry to touch but not cured. It will need a week to cure. Now let's put the brake pads back and we are almost done. I also did the same thing for rear brakes. Now wheels back on, let's see how it looks. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe if you are new, and click on the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one.